I just tried to get a taxi and I thought it'd shut at 5, but you can't get a taxi for love nor money.
No, it's so busy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've only got like an Emmanuel Road, which is...
I'm on Gladstone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's quite a hike.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we've been on a bit of a health kick this week and we did a 20-mile bike ride. This one's still hurting a bit.
Nearly killed me.
Well done.
Yeah, it was a bit of a mission, I must admit.
Well
Yeah,
done.
definitely not going out tonight.
My mate's got one of those electric bikes.
Are they good?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Is it one of those half and half ones?
Well, you're
or-
still pedaling, so
Yeah.
you get your exercise, but you just haven't got
bit
to put
easier.
the
But yeah, can I get one?
No. Some of them are £1,000.
Yeah, she paid
so-
1,000.
Yeah.
She uses it for work, so it's alright, but you know.
Cheaper than a car.
Cheaper
Although
than
it'd
a
be a
car.
bit far for me to get to work.
And still healthy.
Yeah, it's half healthy, isn't it?
Yes. But these hills is like.
That's just living in Hastings for you, isn't it?
No.
Every time we go for a bike ride, it's like, doesn't matter where you go, you've always got to get up and get back up Croft Road or Castle Hill.
Yeah,
You know it's just going to hurt right at the end.
Croft Road's a bit of a killer, isn't it?
It is.
It's like, oh, it goes on forever.
It does. It's shallower than Castle. Castle Hill's a nightmare.
Yeah. Apparently,
Yeah.
Croft is where the horses used to go.
Was it? I suppose, yeah.
Locals sort of road where they
Gotcha.
drag vlogs and stuff up the hill. Hence the incline.
Yeah, yeah, so up the side of the hill, isn't it, sort of thing? Or